Corn, a familiar, nutritious, and easy-to-prepare food. Everyone loves boiled corn at home, but have you noticed that none of the corn sold at the market tastes as good? Hello, it's great to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. The secret is, they add 2 special ingredients that make the corn more fragrant, sweet, and appealing. Do you know what they are? Watch until the end of the video to find out. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. First, prepare the corn. Cut off both ends of the cob, removing any dry, yellow, or damaged parts, leaving the fresh end with the corn silk. Cutting off the end also makes it easier to place the cob in the pot. Before boiling, many people remove all the outer leaves. You often do that too, right? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Many people think that removing all the leaves saves time, but this is actually a mistake. To make the corn sweeter and more fragrant, it's best to leave a thin layer of leaves around the kernels. This layer helps retain the corn's natural flavor, makes the kernels softer, and gives them a nicer color. If you remove all the leaves, the kernels are in direct contact with more water, losing flavor and resulting in a less delicious outcome. Next, rinse the corn, place it in a large bowl, add a little salt, and enough water to completely cover it. Stir with your hands until the salt dissolves. Salt helps clean better, removing bacteria and dirt. Soak for about 10 minutes. Then rinse thoroughly under running water. My family and children really enjoy this corn. Do you eat it often? If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I invite you to subscribe to support me. Thank you very much. Once the corn is clean, we prepare to cook it. Place the corn in a pot. Add a little salt, not too much. Salt enhances the flavor, makes the corn sweeter, and retains moisture. Next, add a small spoonful of baking soda. This helps to soften the corn. Also, corn contains vitamin B3, which is better absorbed in an alkaline environment, making the corn more nutritious. Turn on high heat until the water boils. Then reduce the heat to medium and cook for about 10 minutes. Don't cook for too long to avoid losing flavor and nutrients. When you open the pot, the sweet, natural aroma of corn wafts out, stimulating your appetite. If you use hot water from the start, the starch will harden quickly and the corn will be dry and tough. When the corn is cooked, remove it immediately. Don't leave it in the water, as this will affect the texture and flavor. The corn will then be glossy, sweet, soft, and incredibly delicious. Try this method and prepare it for your family. I usually cook a large batch at once to save time and gas. If you're worried about the corn spoiling quickly, here's a tip. Wrap each ear of corn in plastic wrap, squeezing tightly to prevent air from entering. This retains moisture and prevents bacteria. Store in the refrigerator or freezer. Next time, just steam it again for a few minutes. The corn can be stored for up to 6 months, still tasting almost as good as freshly boiled. Don't throw away the corn boiling water. It's sweet and nutritious. Did you know that with just an air fryer, you can transform ordinary fresh corn into golden, buttery, and tender grilled corn that melts in your mouth? Next time, just steam it again for a few minutes. The corn can be stored for up to 6 months, still tasting almost as good as freshly boiled. Don't throw away the corn boiling water. It's sweet and nutritious. Did you know that with just an air fryer, you can transform ordinary fresh corn into golden, buttery, and tender grilled corn that melts in your mouth? No need to go out to eat. You can enjoy this delicious snack right at home with the incredibly simple recipe below. First, choose plump corn cobs with evenly sized kernels, either golden or white depending on the variety. Young corn will be soft and sweet. Older corn will be harder and require longer grilling or steaming. Remove the leaves and silk, keeping the cob whole. Wash thoroughly under running water. Prepare a large bowl of water. Soaking the corn in water for about 5 to 10 minutes before grilling will help soften the kernels and retain moisture, preventing them from drying out. Then pat dry with a clean towel. If the corn cob is too long, you can cut it in half to fit in the air fryer tray. Brush butter or cooking oil evenly around the corn cob. Sprinkle with salt to taste. If you prefer it sweeter, sprinkle 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can add chili powder, garlic powder, or grated cheese, if available, for a special flavor. Marinate the corn for about 5 minutes before grilling to allow the flavors to penetrate better. Preheat the air fryer for 3 to 5 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius to ensure even heating. Place the corn on a tray or basket, making sure not to stack them. Set the temperature to 180 to 200 degrees Celsius and the cooking time to 15 to 20 minutes. After 7 to 10 minutes, open the air fryer and flip the corn to ensure even cooking on both sides. Observe if the corn is golden brown and the kernels are slightly plump and fragrant. If you want the surface of the corn to be slightly charred for added grilled flavor, increase the heat to 200 degrees Celsius for the last 2 to 3 minutes. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Remove the corn from the pan. Spread with hot butter, sugar, or your preferred seasoning. Eat immediately while hot to preserve the sweetness and tenderness of the corn. Grilled corn will become less sweet and harder if it cools down. So if you don't finish it all, you can reheat it for 2 to 3 minutes in the air fryer. Grilling corn in an air fryer is very convenient. It doesn't burn, doesn't splatter oil, and retains its natural sweetness. The corn is evenly golden brown. The kernels are soft, fragrant with butter, and the seasoning is well absorbed. You can try many different flavors. Each time you grill, you'll have a different experience. This is a simple, quick method that's just as delicious as store-bought, suitable for a light meal or snack. Was this video helpful? Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and share with family and friends. Thank you for your support. See you in the next video.